Physical tests on cement. A soundness test. It is conducted by sieve analysis. 100 grams of cement is taken and sieved through sieve number 9 for 15 minutes. Residue on the sieve is weighed. This should not exceed 10% by weight of sample taken. B. Setting time. Initial setting time and final setting time are the two important physical properties of cement. Initial setting time is the time taken by the cement from adding of water to the starting of losing its plasticity. Final setting time is the time lapsed from adding of the water to complete loss of plasticity. VCAT apparatus is used for finding the setting times. Ref. Fig. 1. VCAT apparatus consists of a movable rod to which any one of the three needles shown in figure can be attached. An indicator is attached to the movable rod. A VCAT mold is associated with this apparatus, which is in the form of split cylinder. Before finding initial and final setting time, it is necessary to determine water to be added to get standard consistency. For this, 300 grams of cement is mixed with about 30% water, and cement paste prepared is filled in the mold, which rests on non-porous plate. The plunger is attached to the movable rod of VCAT apparatus and gently lowered to touch the paste in the mold. Then the plunger is allowed to move freely. If the penetration is 5 mm to 7 mm from the bottom of the mold, then cement is having standard consistency. If not, experiment is repeated with different proportion of water. Fill water required for standard consistency is found. Then the tests for initial and final setting times can be carried out as explained below. Initial setting time. 300 grams of cement is thoroughly mixed with 0.85 times the water for standard consistency, and VCAT mold is completely filled and top surface is leveled. 1 mm square needle is fixed to the rod and gently placed over the paste. Then it is freely allowed to penetrate. In the beginning, the needle penetrates the paste completely. As time lapses, the paste starts losing its plasticity and offers resistance to penetration. When needle can penetrate up to 5 to 7 mm above bottom of the paste, experiment is stopped and time lapsed between the addition of water and end if the experiment is noted as initial setting time. Final setting time. The square needle is replaced with annular collar. Experiment is continued by allowing this needle to freely move after gently touching the surface of the paste. Time lapsed between the addition of water and the mark of needle but not of annular ring is found on the paste. This time is noted as final setting time.